Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Real Search Education. In this video, we will see 3.6 The Merchant of the Venice pointers. So, this is the part 1 for 6th standard English medium. So, let's get started. First, say whether the following statements are true or false. Say whether the following statements are true or false. So, first one means A. The merchant ships brought spices and other treasures from India and other countries to Italy. So, it's true because in the starting of the lesson they had told us that the merchant ships brought spices and other treasures from India and other countries to Italy. So, B means second. Antonio had gone on a long voyage. So, it's false because he hadn't gone on a long voyage. He was only waiting for his ships in the starting of lesson. So, Bassanio was very rich. No, Bassanio wasn't very rich. He had no money. He was a handsome nobleman, but he had no money. So, D means fourth. Portia had many brothers and sisters, so this is clear false because Portia was the only daughter of a very wealthy man. E means fifth. Portia's suitors chose the gold and silver caskets. So that's true. But Bassanio hadn't chose the gold or silver casket. He had chose the lead one. So other suitors chose gold and silver, but Bassanio didn't. So that's true. F. Bassanio borrowed money from Shylock in Antonio's name. So, that's true because Bassanio borrowed money on Antonio's name. So, that's true. G. Shylock was not at all generous. That's clear true because Shylock was a cruel man and was not at all generous. H. Shylock demanded a pound of Antonio's flesh. Yes, true. He demanded the pound of the Antonio's flesh. Portia saved Antonio in the court of law. So, that's true. She saved Antonio in the court of law. Antonio's ships were lost at sea. False. In the starting, they thought that the ships are lost, but in the ending of the lesson, the ships were found again. That was not lost. So that's false. So that is false. So in next lecture, we will write a few lines about each character. So till then, goodbye. Take care.